Have you ever heard about the Minimax regret rule? You might wonder what is it. You might search about it. You might have discussions about it with friends, colleagues, and so on. Well, let me explain. The Minimax regret rule is a decision-making strategy used when you are unsure about the outcome of your choices. The goal is to minimize the worst possible regret you could feel after making a decision. You can't figure it out? In simple terms, you have few choices to make. For each choice, think about the worst thing that could happen. Regret is when you realize you could have made a better choice later on. You calculate how much regret there is in every choice. Pick the choice that has the least regret in the worst case scenario. Here are the step-by-step components for the Minimax regret rule. First, decision alternative. The choices available to the decision maker. These are the options being considered. Second, states of nature. It is about possible outcomes that can occur, which the decision maker cannot control. It's all natural. Third, payoff table. A chart showing the results of each decision under every possible outcome. Next, regret table, a chart showing the difference between the best possible result and the actual result. Maximum regret, the largest regret for each decision across all outcomes. Last but not least, optimal decision, the decision with the smallest maximum regret. Now, let me explain about the characteristics of the Minimax regret rule. First, minimization of regret. The goal is to reduce the worst case regret. It focuses on avoiding dissatisfaction in the most unfavorable scenario. Second, uncertainty handling. It is useful when outcomes are uncertain and probabilities are unknown. The focus is on minimizing regret without predicting exact results. Next, conservative strategy. This approach avoids large regrets rather than chasing maximum gains. It prioritizes safety over high rewards. Next, focus on what could have been. Regret is measured by comparing actual results with the best possible outcomes. It highlights the loss from not making the optimal choice. Last but not least, risk aversion. It is ideal for cautious decision makers who want to avoid major disappointments. It reduces the risk of making poor choices under uncertainty. For example, you have two choices for vacation. Beach resort is perfect on sunny days but might get rainy, while the mountain retreat is great in any weather but there might still be rain. Let's break it down. These are the steps that will be used for this example. We start off with the payoff table. Here's how each vacation plays out under different weather conditions. If it's sunny, the beach resort is perfect, scoring a 10. But if it rains, it only scores a 3. The mountain retreat is solid both ways, scoring an 8 when sunny and a 6 when rainy. Next, let's calculate the regret. Regret is how much you feel you missed out on by not picking the best choice. For a sunny day, the beach resort is the best, so there's no regret. But if it rains, you could have enjoyed the mountain retreat and your regret would be 5. For the mountain retreat, the regret is smaller, just 2 on a sunny day and no regret if it rains. Well, this shows that mountain retreat has the least number of regret compared to beach resort. Due to the least number of regret, based on the calculation of Minimax regret rule, mountain retreat is indeed the best decision for the travel location. By using the Minimax regret rule, we can make better decisions when we are uncertain. It helps us pick the best option that avoids the biggest regret.